Hi there, it's George here, and today I have to show you a new plant in my collection. You know, in the past I had African violet, many I had, but I lost them because I wasn't very much have time to water plants, and it means I killed all my African violets, so I just decided to buy another one. I randomly walked in the supermarket and just let's see this one. As you can see, beautiful Saint Paulia, you know the variety he writes. So I have right now the same variety which I had in the past, and I'm very happy right now. I have to remove this and water this plant. It stays already 3 days without my care, you know, and yeah. The plant is around 12 centimeters like he says. So just how beautiful it is in bloom right now, as you can see. I'm very happy that I bought it. I saw it was last one in that store and decided to buy. So just let me show you beauty. But to unboxing like well, as you can see, beautiful plant in bloom right now about, and the leaves are not very thick right now, but in my care they will go thick. I will take care very well, water at a time, and yeah. I can see one leaf is broken here, but it's not good to propagate in water because, let me show where it's broken. I did see somewhere, I don't know where it fell, I don't see. Well, I can't find it. Recently I did find a broken leaf, but anyway, I will see, I found later. So just the blooms are beautiful, but in my care should be more beautiful, you know, but we'll see how long this flower will keep. And now let's water this African violet with rainwater, because we had a lot of rains, and why not use rainwater? So just, yeah. So as you can see here, the beauty of African violet, which is here, and very beautiful blooms. All the leaves looking healthy, and I will see at my home how healthy they will be. They don't like to spray on the leaves. It can appear some, you know, but now leaves are looking okay. So just watering only in a plate to not harm the plant, and just we'll see when I will do propagating this one. Have to water with rainwater right now, and I have water here, so just I hope it's enough, and you know, if something I will add more. Let's water. I think this African violet will take all the water which I gave him, so just I will bring another bottle of water and put around it, and you know, I'll water tomorrow too, but not every day. Well, hope you enjoyed this video.